From day one and every day after, J.J. Keller Encompass is supported by teams that are focused on your organization's compliance success. This video explains the role of each team in helping you get the most from your Encompass investment. Encompass Implementation Services is a team of experienced and dedicated professionals who specialize in total project management. They manage the change and the tasks required to make your implementation successful, thereby minimizing the impact on your company resources and allowing you to concentrate on running your business. Their work covers three distinct areas. First, they set up the Encompass platform and configure it to your organization. This ensures you automatically receive compliance alerts and notifications on your Encompass dashboard. They also establish driver and vehicle checklists for hiring and training, set up customized reports, and activate APIs as needed. Second, they offer in-cab installation of fleet hardware like ELDs, dash cams, and mobile applications on company and driver smart devices. Finally, our implementation team is available to train your staff, supervisors, and drivers on Encompass, hardware, and J.J. Keller mobile applications. Training is geared to your company structure and priorities and includes on-site, web-based, and virtual training. The result? A fleet management system that is compliant, ready to go, and customized to you. Now, the complexity and size of some Encompass clients requires additional support that is provided by our client success team. These Encompass clients have a dedicated contact at J.J. Keller who conducts regular touchpoints and proactively monitors their Encompass account. All Encompass clients have access to our customer care team. These associates receive ongoing technical and regulatory training and are consistently monitored through post-call surveys to ensure you get a best-in-class support experience. Your drivers receive 24/7 support and access to a prioritized roadside inspection hotline. Your office staff can email or call customer care Monday through Friday. But our customer care is more than technical support. You get access to compliance experts who answer your questions, monthly newsletters, and quarterly webcasts on regulations, best practices, and Encompass features, and a robust online resource center with training and troubleshooting tools. At J.J. Keller, our mission is to help you effectively manage safety and risk, and to provide you with expertise in regulatory compliance and best practices. Talk with a compliance specialist about Encompass implementation and support services.